Urhobo Akobecha, you're welcome to Urhobo Heritage. And then I want to teach you about what you can see on your screen. Yes, medical terminology, and we'll be dwelling on medicine precisely. So, every screen when I say umu, medicine is called umu. Now, of course, you can see you have capsule there, and whether you use a capsule or tablet, you call those ones ibiumu bata, ibiumu, beautiful. And all other syrups, they are called simply umu, agbata, umu. And you can decide to be descriptive, umuame, that is liquid medicine, umuame. But nobody really says that. It's just what you hear is just simply umu. Once you say umu, and you bota nule, get better. So once you say umu, everybody understand what you're saying. But then we also have egbede. Tani egbede. What you ta? Urhobo de. Egbede means injection. Ake injection ni wajole. Otiyo gwa. Okoda wa ngoga woke hospital kaka injection egbede gbata injection omo tete na ode ahun oga aka kewe egbede evu ikebewe titi baba yawa good all right. So egbede injection agbebi evu re ota. Let us make sentences with them now. Kebe ibiumumero omaowe, give me some medicine because I am not fine. Omamegale no ne owumu osawo kebe, I am not fine today, or I am not sound. Do you have any medicine for me, or can you recommend any medicine for me, or do you have any medicine for me to take? Megwonegbede kebe umulame, that is, I do not need injection, please give me syrup. Megwonubiumu egbede megwonore, I do not want tablets, I rather take injection. Na itineke kwenu neyo egbede injection, ibiumu tablet, umu medicine, umurame syrup, mabo jerry, koyo mabo iwado. Mivano okpada keme ekoye tine wado amlo kyofa o.